Do you ever feel like life is just too much? Like no matter how hard you try, you're stuck in the same place? Maybe you're overwhelmed, tired, and wondering if things will ever change. If you're feeling like that, trust me, you're not alone. But here's something you need to hear: your current situation does not define your future. Whatever you're facing right now, no matter how tough or impossible it seems, you have the power to turn it all around. And it starts with one thing: your mindset. You see, most of us get trapped in our own minds. We focus on what's wrong, on what's missing, on why we can't do something. But the truth is, the only thing standing between you and your dreams is how you think. When you change the way you look at things, the things you look at begin to change. Imagine waking up every day and instead of saying, "I can't," you say, "I will." Instead of focusing on your failures, you focus on your progress. Just imagine how much could change in your life. The smallest shift in your thinking can open doors you never even saw before. And no, it doesn't mean things will get easy overnight. It doesn't mean there won't be setbacks. But it means you'll have a new kind of strength to face them. Think about this: there are people out there just like you who have gone through unbelievable hardships. People who have faced pain, failure, and disappointment. And yet they still got up, still kept going. You know why? Because they decided that their story wasn't over yet. And neither is yours. Every moment you have the power to rewrite your story. No matter how many times you've fallen down, you can always stand back up. You can always try again. And this time you'll be stronger, smarter, and more determined. Maybe right now you're facing something that feels impossible, a dream that feels too big, a problem that feels too heavy. But let me tell you, everything starts with that first step. It doesn't matter how slow you go, as long as you keep moving forward. Success isn't about perfection. It's about progress. It's about doing just a little bit more today than you did yesterday. It's about believing in yourself when no one else does. It's about showing up even when it's hard. Here's the truth: you are capable of more than you know. Whatever challenge you're facing, you can overcome it. You just need to make one choice to stop doubting yourself and start believing that you are worthy of the life you want. So what are you going to do today? Are you going to keep waiting for the perfect moment? Or are you going to take action right now with what you have and make that perfect moment happen? Remember, change doesn't happen overnight, but every small step you take today brings you closer to the life you deserve. So don't give up. Keep going, because your best days are not behind you, they're still ahead. Thank you for watching. If this inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your story is far from over. Let's keep writing it together.